Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by confirming the Google account that holds the call history backup and sign into it on your device. Once signed in, make sure the app that reads the backup has Drive and Contacts permissions. This allows the system to locate and map entries. Connect to a stable Wi-Fi network and plug in a charger if battery is under 50% because larger backups can stall. Now open Google Drive, locate the backup folder, and identify the call history file or backup package to start the actual restore. Once you have the file identified, download it locally to your device so the restore tool can access it without drive latency. If the backup is a JSON or app-specific archive, you may need a converter app that maps fields to Android call log format. This is why permissions and local storage matter. Make sure the converter preserves timestamps and contact ID. After conversion, open your phone's call log import utility or the dedicated app, and point it to the converted file to begin importing entries and resolving contact links. After the import completes, review the call history for correct timestamps, call types, and contact associations. This confirms the mapping worked. If records are missing or mismatched, make sure you use the exact Google account and that the downloaded file wasn't truncated. Re-download from Drive if necessary. If conversion errors persist, reinstall the import app or try an alternative converter. Sometimes exporting the backup again from the original device fixes formatting issues. A single retry after checking file integrity often resolves most problems.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.